dismount scene, reattack from the east, rocket. Reaction rocket, actioning gun, 10 round burst, valid range, firing.
Converting speed to height, the pilot minimises the threat of ground fire, this time with a 360-degree wing over, making tracking and predicting the aircraft quite difficult for an enemy attempting to engage. The Apache is of course usually operated in pairs and can be teamed with other platforms such as the Wildcat call is communicated within the cockpit, instructing the pilot to conduct another rocket strike for alternate attack heading.
Great, man pass 12 o'clock, flares.
The crew then work together to update a set of pre-engagement checks. With the SAM threat eliminated, the crew can climb into a wheel, circling the target to assess and ensure a decisive effect has been achieved. The gunner's scan with the camera is interrupted as the pilot spots enemy soldiers from a dug-in position, bringing a heavy machine gun to bear in the aircraft's direction.
Good effect on target, 4 enemy vehicles destroyed, radar threat eliminated. Target, pilot helmet sight, dismount HMG, my gun, auto range, firing.
Using his helmet monocle as a sight, the pilot slaves the gun up to 89 degrees to his right hand side and engages the target simply by looking at it and pulling the trigger. Flying hours, including over 1,200 in the Apache and 1,000 in the Wildcat. He has operational experience in Afghanistan and Northern Ireland. Establishing in the high hover now at 800 feet above the ground, you can see the Apache's powerful hover performance. Tim will initiate and dive with the cycling stick to 80 degrees nose down before rolling through 90 degrees whilst almost vertical. Over the tactical return to target manoeuvre is flown in a manner to use the energy and momentum of the aircraft to bring it quickly into weapons release parameters. Centre for a close-up look at a manoeuvre we like to call the bunt. The bunt sees the aircraft pitch from 90 degrees nose up to 90 degrees nose down at the highest point of the manoeuvre. As well as offensive actions, helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft 25 rounds a minute. As seen earlier, this gun can articulate to 89 degrees left and right and 60 degrees down. Above the main rotor disc, you'll notice the distinctive shape of the aircraft's fire control radar. The radar is able to scan out to 8 kilometers ahead of the aircraft, detecting over 1,000 targets, prioritising them and offering the pilot 16 simultaneous firing solutions through the aircraft weapons processor. Along with target detection and missile guidance, the radar is also capable of mapping the terrain ahead of the aircraft in flight to assist in navigation, terrain avoidance and night or in bad weather. One of the aircraft is the Target Acquisition and Designation Site, or TADS, housing the DTD and infrared cameras, as well as a Class 4 laser for ranging and missile guidance. A further infrared sensor mounted above the TADS can be slaved to the pilot's helmet position, allowing for flight at night, providing over 2,300 shaft horsepower, meaning together they produce more power than 4 Formula 1 racing cars. As the crew resets for the signature finale of the Apache display, we'd like to ask you to put your hands together and show your thanks to our partners at Event Horizon for providing today's pyrotechnic effects. If you're out capturing photographs today, this may be the one you would like to take home with you, so please do have your cameras at the ready for a final time. Ladies and gentlemen, the British Army Apache attack helicopter. That concludes today's demonstration of the Army Air Corps Apache helicopter. On behalf of the whole team, Major Fitzway, Staff Sergeant Skelding and Gunship will now perform the customary bow to thank you for your support. Please do give them a wave and put your hands together and show your appreciation for their efforts today. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2019 attack helicopter display team. To finish, I'd just like to remind you that you can visit us on social media for more news and information on upcoming displays. Feel free to share your pictures with them.